The importance of Paterson chiropractic care for car accident victims. Chiropractic is a healthcare profession where its practitioners, who are called chiropractors or chiropractic physicians, focus on disorders of the musculoskeletal system and the nervous system and the effects these disorders have on one's general well-being. Paterson Chiropractic Care is a chiropractic service provided for the community of Paterson, New Jersey, and its surrounding communities like Clifton and Passaic, New Jersey, and is used most often to help in the treatment of neuromusculoskeletal complaints, including but definitely not limited to neck pain, lower back pain, sciatica, and headaches, especially after a car accident. Why car accident victims in Paterson, New Jersey should get Paterson chiropractic care. One of the main reasons why car accident victims seek the services of a chiropractor is because they are in pain. Most of the times, the pain is caused by the nature of their injury, whether minor or grave. The other reason why someone would want to see a chiropractor is to get help with managing their posture. Most of the time, a bad posture affects the spine and it may cause pain sooner or later. In both scenarios, a chiropractor will help the patient to reduce the pain they are suffering from. The chiropractor may also suggest ways of ensuring that the patient gets enough exercise to remedy their pain and retain the functionality of the affected area. How to select a good chiropractor. When looking for a good Paterson chiropractor to help you get your health back, patients should take several important things into consideration. It is one thing to use chiropractic treatment to alleviate pain, and another to go to an unqualified chiropractor who will cause you more pain and stress. One of the misconceptions which most patients have is that since chiropractic is an alternative medical practice or complementary medicine, the practitioners need not be certified. This is a common misconception that has cost people both money and health risks. For starters, you should consider doing a background check on your chiropractor before you engage their services. One of the ways of ensuring that you get the best Paterson chiropractor is by asking for recommendations from your doctor or healthcare provider. Chances are that they might know someone who will be suitable for the job. If your doctor cannot recommend a good chiropractor, you should consider using recommendations by friends or family members who have used one before. Nowadays, with the internet being a part of our daily lives, it is easy to verify information regarding your chiropractor simply by the click of a button. When verifying chiropractic services online, make sure that you go through reviews of previous patients to make sure that the chiropractor is reliable. It is also important to check their official website and browse their services to see whether they will be beneficial to your unique needs. An online search is also important as it can give you more information on the educational background, clinical experience, and qualifications of your chiropractor. Always counter-check the chiropractor's details with those of accredited councils and associations. For instance, you should check whether the college they attended for their chiropractic training is accredited and approved by the Council on Chiropractic Education. Once you narrow down your search, you must organize a meeting with your prospective chiropractor. This is not only necessary to verify their existence, but also an opportunity for you to gauge their qualifications and service provision. Since the treatment you will undergo is a physical one, you may also want to assess the kind of rapport you may have with your doctor, as well as the compatibility of their style of spinal adjustments. Some people feel comfortable being worked on by a chiropractor of the same gender or of the opposite gender. If this is a preference for you, Make sure that you communicate it to your potential chiropractor when you meet them in person. Another thing to look out for during your initial meeting is whether the chiropractic office is comfortable. Some people wouldn't mind having their treatment done at the chiropractor's office in an open room setting, while other people would prefer a more private treatment area, such as curtains that separate treatment tables or a private room to themselves. If this is an option, it is important to discuss it with your chiropractor beforehand. Another important thing to consider when choosing a chiropractor is their payment options. This is important because it will give you a feel of what to expect and the kind of budget to work with. While shopping around, you may even decide to settle on a chiropractor who is affordable. There is a misconception that the more expensive the chiropractor, the better their services. This may not necessarily be true. However, a very cheap chiropractor should raise red flags for you. After verifying the qualifications and certifications of your prospective chiropractor, you should consider how they make you feel. A chiropractic treatment plan may be for a temporary period or for the long term. When choosing a chiropractor, you should therefore consider whether you are comfortable working with them for a long time to come. Questions you should ask yourself include whether they are friendly, courteous, helpful, and available to answer your questions regarding your treatment plan. It is always advisable that you follow your gut instinct when choosing a professional to work with. If something does not feel right, you have the option of choosing someone else. A final tip is to choose a chiropractor or chiropractic clinic that is near you. If you reside in Paterson, New Jersey, or its surrounding cities like Clifton and Passaic, for instance, you could narrow down your search to a chiropractic service provider close to you. Depending on the kind of pain you suffer from and the frequency of your treatment, choosing a professional who is closer to you would be convenient and less stressful for you. The closer the clinic, the easier for you to liaise with your chiropractor on time and locations for your diagnosis and treatment. It will not only save you time spent on the road, but also money. About Paterson Chiropractic Care Health Provider, Dr. Ricardo Lalama, DC. If you reside in Paterson, New Jersey, or its surrounding cities like Clifton and Passaic, and you are looking for a qualified and experienced chiropractor, you are in luck. One of the best chiropractors in the area is Dr. Ricardo Lalama, DC. Dr. Lalama's area specialization is chiropractic care for auto accident injuries. With over 18 years of experience as a practitioner, he is definitely your best bet. Not only is he a qualified chiropractor, but he is also licensed by the state of New Jersey to practice chiropractic medicine. One of the reasons why people prefer Dr. Lalama's services is that he is highly qualified and professional. The clinic he is associated with, Empower Chiropractic Wellness Center, which is located in Paterson, New Jersey, is easily accessible by anyone within the state. Dr. Lalama and the Empower Chiropractic team are known for their personalized treatment plans. Just like any other professionals, they'll design a treatment plan that addresses your unique needs as a patient. Treating car accident injuries in Paterson, Clifton, and Passaic, New Jersey. According to statistics, most spinal injuries are caused by accidents, especially car accidents. New Jersey is one of the states that have recorded a high number of car accidents in the recent past. It is no wonder that the team at Dr. Ricardo Lalama's Associated Chiropractic Practice mainly deals with such cases. Being a car accident victim or any other form of personal injury can be devastating for most people. Depending on the nature of the patient's injury, they may end up with minor injuries or more serious ones. Seeking medical attention is important even if you do not consider your injuries that serious. Only a medical doctor can certify whether you are clear of any risks or internal bleeding. The services of a chiropractor come in handy after an injury. Dr. Lalama has dealt with issues ranging from minor joint pain to back pain and soft tissue injury. He has also helped patients suffering from whiplash, as well as issues of imbalance and poor posture as a result of injuries sustained after a car accident. Dr. Ricardo Lalama, DC's free auto accident report. Before the team of experts at Empower Chiropractic Wellness Center diagnoses a patient who was involved in a car accident, the patient will be asked to fill out an auto accident intake form. This form is crucial because it helps the experts understand the nature of the injuries suffered by the patient. Usually, patients do not provide full details of their auto accident after it happens. The auto accident intake form asks detailed questions to help resolve as much of this problem. Dr. Lalama has also come up with a comprehensive car accident report, which you can get by clicking on the link in the description below and submitting some of your detailed information like your name, email address, and phone number. The report details some of the car accident injuries suffered by victims and how these can be treated. This report is helpful for those victims who may not know how to act or what to immediately do after an auto accident. With this knowledge, some of the complications suffered by victims after a car accident can be dealt with before they get serious. Keep watching this video to find out how you or anyone you know that has recently been involved in a car accident can get your hands on Dr. Ricardo Lalama's free auto accident report. In the report, you'll discover the shocking truth about car accident injuries and what you must know if you've been in an auto accident. Just note that your future self will thank you for it. What to expect from Dr. Ricardo Lalama's Paterson Chiropractic Care. When you book an appointment with Dr. Lalama for the first time, the team will arrange for your first consultation. The consultation is usually designed to get as much information about your injuries as possible. The initial consultation would also involve obtaining the patient's case history. The doctor will ask you questions relating to your diet, family, past treatment plans you have been on, as well as the type of medication you have been taking. The consultation will usually be followed by a physical examination of the patient. In order to carry out the physical exam, the doctor may make use of a variety of techniques. One of them is the static and motion palpation method. The technique is normally used to determine whether the spinal segments are restricted or hypomobile. Apart from this method, the team may also use other diagnostic techniques if necessary, such as an X-ray to check whether the positioning of your vertebra is altered. Chiropractor in Paterson, New Jersey treatment options. Here at Empower Chiropractic Wellness Center, the doctors have diagnosed a wide range of neuromuscular issues ranging from lower back pain to neck pain. After reaching the proper diagnosis, a doctor of chiropractic will discuss it with you and help you come up with a treatment plan that will effectively deal with the pain. The treatment plan may involve frequent in-office adjustments and/or passive treatments that you can perform at the comfort of your own home. An adjustment or manipulation usually involves a high-velocity thrust exerted to a specific part of the spine. This pressure may end up creating an audible sound, signifying the release of gases in your spinal joints. Some patients will experience a cracking sound, but this may not usually be the case. In order to release the cracking sound, otherwise known as joint cavitation, the chiropractor should ensure that the patient relaxes. They can do that by applying an ice or heat pack on the spot or through electrical stimulation. A bit of soft tissue massage and/or trigger point therapy on the area may also enable the patient to relax before the chiropractor can attempt another thrust to release the vertebra. The frequency and number of adjustments recommended for any patient usually varies depending on the healing time and the nature of the injury. Contact us today. If you or anyone you know are a car accident victim and you are looking for ways to restore your body's functionality, Dr. Ricardo Lalama will be more than ready to help you. The clinic is located at 680 Broadway, Suite 511, Paterson, New Jersey, 07514, located inside Barnet Medical Arts Complex. You can also call and book your appointment at 862-571-1792. If you have any questions, feel free to visit or call the team. We look forward to helping you heal.